Okay, so this is a video for 17B on day 29. I think it was section 8.3. Let's write that on here. So I know that this is not normally how I do videos, but I already had this on paper, so I thought it might save me some time. So first you can see that we are given two planes. So the equations of the planes are given here in scalar form. From there, sorry, I should backtrack. This question is asking us to find the angle between the two planes. From these two equations, I am able to write the normal vectors. So looking at my coefficients, I have the first normal of 2, 0, 3, and my second normal is negative 1, 6, 3. The first thing that I'm going to do is calculate the dot product between those two normals. So as you can see, I have that done here, and that gives me an answer of 7. From there, I'm going to calculate the magnitude of the normals. So the magnitude of normal 1 is root 13, and the magnitude of normal 2 is root 46. So if you remember, all the way back to the dot product, we were given two formulas for it. So obviously this was one of the formulas up at the top here, but the second formula that we were given is this, or a rearrangement of it. It was A dot B is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B cos of theta. So this is that formula rearranged. So now that I know the dot product of n1 dot n2, I know the magnitude of n1 and I know the magnitude of n2, I am able to plug all of that information in here and solve for theta. You are going to notice that the answer in the back of the book is not the same as this. I am very certain that this is the answer. I double checked it with an online calculator as well, so you can rest assured that this is the way that you do this. And if you were to try and do 17A with this exact same method, you would get the exact same answer in the book. So there is just a mistake on their end. If this doesn't help, let me know and I will gladly help you through Google Meet or some other way.